Did you know a dirty device can put an end to your gameplay? Deep clean your video game console to keep it running smoothly. If you think wiping the outside of the console is all the cleaning it needs, you're missing out on opportunities to extend the life of your system. Think about all the things you can't see: dust, pet hair, your hair, and even insects. Buildup in your gaming console's vents and ports can compromise its efficiency and safety. A dirty system means your console has to work harder to launch your favorite games, and clogged air vents forces the internal fan to work double time. Both of those things can create a gamer's worst nightmare: overheating. At its worst, it can be a fire hazard, all the things we love to avoid. Keeping your tech clean goes beyond knocking out germs. Regularly cleaning the vents and ports ensures your console lives to see another game drop. For the deepest clean possible, bring your console to an expert. For professional help fixing or cleaning your tech, visit Asurion.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.